What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to install Google Chrome in Windows 10 PC. If you have installed fresh new Windows 10 in your PC, then this video is for you. When I was installing Google Chrome in my PC, that time I installed unknown software, which I like to give you an alert for that software, that how you have to install Google Chrome in your fresh new Windows 10 PC. As you can see, we have Microsoft Edge in here. You simply have to open it. Once you'll have a screen like this, here you have to type download Google Chrome. Click on the first result. Alright, as you can see in here, it says https www.google.com. Here I like to tell you one more thing. You have to make sure you are in the Google Chrome website, because when I was installing Google Chrome in my fresh new Windows PC, I went to different page. I was a bit suspicious at that time, but I thought maybe Google changed their landing page and I do not have to worry for installing Google Chrome in my PC. Right now I cannot see that advertisement in here. You have to make sure you will not download Google Chrome from any ad. You'll see an icon here which says ad, like AD. Download Google Chrome from there, then it could cause a problem for you. So you have to be on the page like this. Let me open it. As you can see, the URL in here says https://google.com. Please make sure you are on the same page. Scroll it down and check that you are downloading it from Google Chrome website or not. This is Google Chrome website. Simply click on download Chrome. You can leave this option checked to help Google Chrome by automatically sending usage, static and crash report to Google. I'm unselecting it. Alright, let me open it. I forgot to show you one more thing in here. As I simply clicked on googlechrome.exe, you can click on this folder icon as well and you'll see Google Chrome in here. Simply double click on it and open it. From here, select yes. It's gonna take some time for to install in your PC. As you can see the screen, you have to make sure you are getting the same screen and you are getting the same configuration setting in your PC. If you are getting something else, that means you have installed Google Chrome from some other place. You can download Google Chrome from trusted website as well, but do not download Google Chrome from the advertisement listing on the top. If I'll type download Google Chrome, then you can see the trusted website in here. The first website comes up with Google Chrome is the google.com. The second website is softonic.com, uptodown.com. These are kind of trusted website. However, I do not use to download any software from softonic.com because I have downloaded some problematic software from there as well. So I do not go with it. I like to download software from FileHippo. That's a good website to download any software without installing the third-party application in it. As you can see, Google Chrome is installed and running in my PC. If you want to know how to use Google Chrome and how to make the bookmark, how to secure all of your bookmark and how to synchronize bookmark and all of the data of Google Chrome browser, then the link is given in the description of that video. You can watch that video and understand how to use Google Chrome browser in your PC. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.